The All Parties Hurriyat Conference leadership, while paying rich tributes to Shaheed Burhan Wani, martyrs of 13th July, and other martyrs of Kashmir, has said that these noble souls are the real heroes of Kashmiri people. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar and General Secretary Maulvi Bashir Ahmad Irfani in their statements in Srinagar said that these martyrs laid down their lives for the sacred cause of freedom. In a message from Central Jail Srinagar, Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar described Shaheed Burhan Wani as the real hero and symbol of resistance in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. He also hailed the sacrifices of martyrs of 13 July 1931. Maulvi Bashir Irfani maintained that Martyrs Week is being observed to highlight the highest price for freedom being paid by the resilient Kashmiris. The two APHC leaders saluted the steadfastness of Kashmiri people and their resolve to continue resistance against India's illegal occupation through thick and thin. On the call of APHC, Burhan Wani's martyrdom anniversary will be observed tomorrow as Resistance Day, while July 13 as Kashmir Martyrs Day in memory of 22 people who fell to the bullets of Maharaja's troops in Srinagar in 1931. Meanwhile, Indian troops launched door-to-door search operations in different areas of Islamabad town. The troops harassed the inmates and vandalized the household goods. Jammu and Kashmir Muttahida Majlis-e-Ulama at a meeting in Srinagar today, through a unanimously passed resolution by all constituents of the amalgam, demanded the release of the MMU chief Mirwais Umar Farooq before Eid-ul-Azha so that he could lead the Eid congregation at the historic Jamia Masjid Srinagar. Senior APHC SHJ&K chapter Muhammad Farooq Rahmani in a statement in Islamabad said, drowned in frustration, the Modi-led Indian government is fighting a lost with its modern war machinery in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir.